and welcome to our video on how blockchain works, step-by-step guide. Blockchain is a term you must have heard quite often in recent years, especially in the context of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But what exactly is a blockchain and how does it work? Let's find out. To understand blockchain, let's start with the basics. A blockchain is a digital ledger of transactions that is stored across a network of computers. Each block in the blockchain contains a list of transactions, and every time a new transaction is made, a new block is added to the chain. The beauty of a blockchain is that once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This means that the entire transaction history is permanent and transparent, making it an ideal platform for decentralized applications. The next key aspect of a blockchain is its distributed network. Unlike traditional databases that are controlled by a single entity, a blockchain is decentralized, meaning that every computer on the network has a copy of the entire blockchain. This decentralized network ensures that the blockchain is secure, as any attempt to alter the data would require changing the information on every computer in the network simultaneously. Additionally, the decentralized nature of the blockchain means that there is no single point of failure, making it more resilient to hacking or other attacks. Now let's dive into the process of how transactions are added to the blockchain. This process is known as mining, and it involves a network of computers working together to verify and validate new transactions. When a new transaction is made, it is broadcast to the entire network of computers. Each computer on the network then works to verify the transaction by solving a complex mathematical problem. The first computer to solve the problem is rewarded with a small amount of cryptocurrency, and the new block is added to the blockchain. To ensure that every computer on the network is working together and in agreement, the blockchain uses a consensus mechanism. The consensus mechanism ensures that every computer on the network is in agreement about the order and validity of the transactions. This is critical to the security and transparency of the blockchain, as any discrepancies could lead to corruption or fraud. So that's a high-level overview of how a blockchain works, from its decentralized network to the mining process to the consensus mechanism. Every aspect of the blockchain is designed to ensure security and transparency. If you're interested in learning more about blockchain, there are plenty of resources available online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.